project channel. Today I'm going to be building some shelving in the basement, but before I do that I'm going to frame some of the parts up in the garage, but it's really cold. So I have my Mr. Heater Buddy here, and I have a 20-gallon propane tank, and I have this hose. So let's get started, but before I do that I'd like to ask you to subscribe and like and share, and I'll put some links to the Mr. Heater Buddy and this hose and some 1-gallon propane tanks down below, so if you're interested in getting one of these, please feel free to click that. The first key point is this goes on the inside of the propane tank, not on the outside, and therefore it's opposite. So instead of right to tighten it, you got to go left to tighten it. So we're going to put this in here just like this. Again, turning to the left, that's the first key point, don't turn it to the right. Get it nice and snug. And then our other end is going to come right over here, and this is going to thread the normal way, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now when you do this for the first time, you're going to need to hold in between the off and pilot position for probably about 10 or 15 seconds. This is a fairly long hose. I think this is a 10 or 15 foot hose that I have here, and let all the air out of the line. So anyways, I got this on. We'll shut this. I'll move the propane tank over just a little bit here. Give it some room, turn it on. And again, what you're normally going to do the first time we do this is you're going to hold it right there in between your off and pilot position. I don't know if you can see that. I can't tilt this over, it won't start. And then we'll just give it a go. And I had this on earlier, so it's coming right on, but we'll get this garage warmed up. There you go. 20-pound tank will definitely last a lot longer, and you won't be changing your fuel tanks out. So again, if you enjoyed this, if you could subscribe, thumbs up, and check out the links from Amazon in the description below. Again, the summary, 2 key points. When you go into your tank, it's opposite, so left is tight, right is loose, and hold your knob down in between the off and pilot for about 10 or 15 seconds. Let all the air get out of this hose before it ignites. Anyways, have a good day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.